Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you could tell probably by the title and the beginning, is going to be a morning routine video. So far this morning, it's Monday, so it's a Monday morning routine video, which is sometimes a little different than every other day of the week. But it is Monday at almost 9:30. I overslept. Well, I slept in. I didn't oversleep. I made the decision to sleep in this morning a little bit because I was just having a really hard time falling asleep last night for whatever reason. So I gave myself a little extra rest this morning. So I woke up, I did my skincare because I'm learning quickly here, at least. One, if I don't moisturize in the morning, my skin is just going to be like a desert because it's so dry here in the winter. But two, if I don't do it, I like get into my work for the day without even thinking about what to do for the rest of it. So I like won't do my skincare if I like sit down for work. So I have done my skincare. I fed my cats this morning. I made my first cup of coffee, and I'm going to have this little bar for breakfast. I got them at Sam's Club yesterday. This is Cleo, I think that's what that says. Yeah, and it's like a parfait bar, so it's supposed to be like yogurt and granola and stuff in a bar. I haven't tried it yet, but it looked really good, so that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. And I got myself a glass of water already today. But yeah, so today is just gonna be a morning routine video. I have some things that I need to get done around the house, as well as work that I have to get done. So I'm going to start on my work because I have emails and stuff that I need to check. That's the very first thing I do in the morning is for work, is go and check my emails and try to get everything organized for my day. I have 2 different calendars that I go off of. They're all color coded, so I'm usually pretty organized, but I've got a lot I gotta get done. So that's gonna be the start to my day, is doing emails. most of my emails answered and like information put into the correct places that it needs to be. So I'm happy with that. And then it is now 10:58, so my morning is almost over, but I have to film TikTok content today. So I think the last part of my morning routine, because obviously it's not the end of my day, I still have like a bunch of other stuff to do, but the end of my morning routine is going to be doing my makeup because I need to look good for these TikToks. So I'm going to do my makeup and probably wrap up my morning. I did a little bit of cleaning up, stuff like that, and like I said, I'll still have a bunch more stuff that I have to do for the day, but that is going to be the extent of my morning routine. So I'll bring you guys along to do my makeup though. I got this, I think I told you guys about this. I got this in Thailand and I haven't really been using it to like store my makeup yet, but I got this like mirror thing from IKEA, and it has like a bottom part where you can store stuff, this little top part where you can store stuff, and then it comes with this mirror. So I just like set it in there. Oh, look at that, cute. I set it in there, and then I have a table that's next to my desk that I set it on because I've been doing my makeup here because I don't have a vanity, and our bathroom is just like not big enough for me to be doing my makeup, and especially if Tyler needs to be in there. So I'm gonna start doing my makeup and I'll show you guys what I end up doing. It's probably not gonna be anything really crazy. So this is how I did my makeup. I got a new cream contour. I got this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm not sure how much I like the color. I'm used to like a little, I don't know, less orangey, but I kind of like it. I don't know. We're gonna play around with it. But yeah, so I didn't like feel like doing any sort of a wing or anything today. Oh my gosh, the more I look at this, the more I don't like it. I don't know. It's better from far away. So yeah, that is pretty much my morning. I'm working on getting a TikTok put together currently. All of the TikToks that I've been filming pretty much recently are on my business TikTok page. So if you want to find me there, it is at Carwell Design. I'll put it up on the screen. I do have a personal TikTok that is at Emer Carnez, and it's E-M-E-R Carnez, which is my last name. And I'll put that on the screen too, but you'll find most of the TikToks that I'm like filming and getting ready for on my business page. So I'm gonna go do that, but that is gonna be the end of my morning routine. Wow, that is gonna be the end of my morning routine. Thank you guys as always for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.